Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to playback video on your IMILAB C20 Pro home security camera. Okay, and to playback the video, first of all, open the camera on your IMILAB Homes app. Okay, after that, on the lowest point on the left of the screen, you will see the word event playback. Select on it, and now it will show all the playback time on here. You can select one by one. For now I only have the one recorded because we just already set up it and use it for a short periods of time. And to play back that one, select on that time. You will see the detail here, the time and the date on here, each of it. So select one of it, and now it's playback, and you can see the full screen here, and you can hear the voice, the volume here. To hear the volume, select on that one.
And after that,
Okay. Okay, and now it's got another time zone, one more. And remind you that to play back the video, you need to have the SD card insert to the camera, or you need to have the cloud storage that you already signed up with the camera. So now I just play back it from the SD card. Okay, now I hope you got everything that you want to know, and now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.